Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Had to wrap it up last night. It was getting late, and this is how far I got. You can see you got the front axle under it. I'm going to be removing the brackets on the front cross member and then the back trailing arm brackets. But some of the things that you'll need for this swap for an 05 and up Super Duty axle for the two-wheel drive trucks is obviously you're going to need the Super Duty coil buckets. You're going to need the brackets that go to the frame for the trailing arms. And then I'll get into some detail. You're going to need a couple other things, so stay tuned and enjoy a little time lapse. I'm not sure why, but if you cut a little X in these rivets, they seem to air hammer or chisel off a lot quicker. Alright guys, you can see it. Got everything cleaned up. Had a lot of crud on there. So behind the factory shock tower, there's only a bolt from in here and in here. And then these are actually behind the factory one. And whenever I show you the Super Duty, you'll see that some of these actually line up with the Super Duty holes. In order to get the Super Duty box to be mounted on the inside up here, obviously this two-wheel drive box has to be removed. So I'm going to pop the hood and take that out. I had forgot that the steering box will not come out of the bottom unless you take the exhaust off. So I'm going to try to get it up through the top, see how it works. Well, besides me filming a couple hours worth of fighting that steering box, it's finally out. Actually, I brought it through the little window here. Wasn't the easiest. I probably could have did something a little bit differently, but it's out. So on to the next side is the passenger side to get the shock tower off. All right, I'm happy with this side. Just degreased it brushed it all down. I'll wait till it dries off. Hit it with some single stage epoxy, gloss black, and then start bolting up the shock tower onto the next side. Now that the shock towers are off, I gotta take these trailing arm brackets off, and then there's a little cross member that holds them together. You guys can see that. And then one step closer and bolt these brackets on.